Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch 2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications on this device. To enable the phone notifications on this device, we need to turn on or rather open the REALME Link app on our phone. So let's open it. In the app, we need to select our REALME Watch 2 Pro from the list of devices. Here we need to tap on this icon in the top right corner, the More Options icon, to open the menu. And in this menu we have Notifications option. Tap on it. Let's wait until the watch is done syncing with the phone. Try again. Okay. After you open the Notifications menu, you have Notifications option right here, and we have a switch next to it. Tap on the switch to enable them. And now we need to enable the notification access to the REALME Link app. If you don't have it enabled yet, you need to tap on Settings right here. You should be redirected to this page, Notification Access. And here we have a REALME Link app. Tap on it. And then tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access to enable it, and then tap Allow, like this. Now we can tap on Back button to go to the app and try enabling the notifications again by tapping the switch. And now, as you can see, the notifications are enabled. And here we can enable the notifications for each app on this list, basically by tapping the switch next to it. If you enable it for example, SMS, you need to allow the permissions like this. You can also allow it for WhatsApp, YouTube, Gmail, and Maps. You can also tap on More button right here at the bottom to get the list of apps, every app on your phone basically. And you can enable for the notifications for every app on this list. For example, let's enable it for Discord and Brave. And when you go back, the apps should appear. Oh no, they won't appear on this list. You need to, if you want to disable the notifications for these apps, you need to go back to More list and disable it here, like this. You can also disable the notifications as the whole thing by tapping the switch right here at the top to disable them, like this. Oh no, my bad. Right here, next to notifications, you can disable them like this, my bad. Okay. And that's how you enable the notifications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.